Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a very exciting unopening thing. Basically, about a month ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I randomly went on Vegan Outfitters because they sent me an email saying that they now do mystery bags. So each of their mystery bags are individual items. So I chose to get 2 jumpers, sweatshirts, whatever you want to call them, and 1 t-shirt. So I have my parcel right here. I have no idea what I'm gonna end up with. I've ripped my address off it, but otherwise this is completely unopened. So let's open it up. Okay, here we go. The future is vegan. Okay, so I'm quite glad that they've put them all in one bag rather than individual bags, so that's quite good. So let's get this open. So I believe this item is the t-shirt. It's a really nice colour. Oh my god, yes. Save the chubby unicorns. This is so cute. I am very happy with this one. So I will try that on. It will be a future day for me, but it'll be right now for you. Here we go. So again, I think this is just a really lovely colour. I think it's super cute. I'm obviously not going to be wearing it like this with these baggy trousers, but I thought if I like tie a knot in it, maybe try to tie a knot in it. Why is it so difficult? Because I'm filming myself, that's why it's so difficult. There we go. Yeah, really like this one. See you at the next one. Okay, next item. So we have a nice grey jumper, and it's just got a gorilla on the front of it, and it says herbivore, which that also works for me. So let's try this on. So this is the gorilla jumper, obviously. It's quite cozy, decent length, covers my bum. I'm trying this on today because I'm going to wear it tomorrow, and I wanted to make sure that it was good for that, and I think it is. So, I mean, it's not amazing, it's not the best jumper in the world, but it'll do. See you at the next one. Okay, and now we have the last one. So this one's probably going to be the most controversial out of all of the ones that I got. So it's got dog on one side, pig on the other, and it says, "The only difference is our perception." So this one might be worn to wear to vegan events rather than out and about, because, you know, people like to hate on vegans and I don't want to be shouted at. So these will be my everyday, whenever wearing things, and then this will be for special occasions, I think. Oh yeah, let's try it on. So when I first pulled this out of the box, I thought it was black. It's actually a really dark navy blue, which is fine, no issue with that whatsoever. I'm thinking with this, I mean, it's perfectly fine, but I have so many like really dark jumpers, and I don't know, I guess I just want to do something else with it. So I'm thinking of customizing this in some way, like maybe cropping it, maybe bleach dyeing it, but I'm thinking of doing something with it. But as it is, I think it's okay. The neck's a little high, but I probably wouldn't do anything about that. But yeah. And that is everything. Obviously I don't know if I like them on yet because I haven't tried them on yet, but you know if I like them or not, and that's a-okay with me. And maybe I'll film an extra outro, who knows. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!